Hello friends, welcome to my channel Botanical Studies. In this video, we will discuss about family Cisalpiniaceae. The discussion will go through following points: distribution of family Cisalpiniaceae, systematic position of the family Cisalpiniaceae with examples of some common plants, key characters of family Cisalpiniaceae, important type of family Cisalpiniaceae, that is Cisalpinia pulcherrima, and finally economic importance of family Cisalpiniaceae. Distribution of Cisalpiniaceae. It is commonly called Cassia family. This subfamily contains 135 genera which are worldwide in distribution. In India, it is represented by more than 21 genera and 110 species. Systematic position of family Cisalpiniaceae. Family Cisalpiniaceae belonging to kingdom Plantae, subkingdom Phanerogams, division Angiosperm, class Dicotyledone, subclass Polypetalae, series Caliciflorae, order Rosales, family Leguminosae, and subfamily Cisalpiniaceae. Common plants of the subfamily Cisalpiniaceae. Begonia variegata, that is Kanchan. It is an ornamental plant with beautiful flowers and bilobed leaves. Cisalpinia pulcherrima, that is peacock flower or shankasur. It is cultivated plant in the garden. Parkinsonia aculeata, that is Vilayati kikar. It is a large shrub or a small tree with yellow scented flowers. Delonix regia, that is gulmohar. It is a spreading roadside tree with beautiful foliage and red flowers. Saraka indica, that is Sita Ashok. It is an ornamental tree and supposed to be very sacred because, according to Ramayana, Sita ji was kept in captivity in Ashokvana, that is forest of Saraka indica, by Ravan. Tamarindus indica, that is Imli. It is a tree with edible pods. Key characters of subfamily Cisalpinaceae. It shows great variation in habit, that is, maybe trees, shrubs, herbs, or woody climber. It shows taproot system. Stem is erect, woody, herbaceous, or climbing, branched. Leaves peripinnate. Flowers are zygomorphic, calyx with 5 sepals, and corolla is also with 5 petals, arranged in imbricate estivations. Stamens 10, free. Gynoecium monocarpellary with marginal placentation, fruit legume. Important type of the subfamily Cisalpinaceae, that is Cisalpinia pulcherrima. Habit. It is an perennial shrub, root system taproot, branched, stem is erect, cylindrical, slightly woody, spiny, branched. Leaf is alternate, petiolate, stipulate, stipules are minute, peripinnately compound, leaflets 4 to 8 pairs. Leaflets are alternate, leaf base is pulminate, compound, unipinnate, stipulate, with reticulate venation. Inflorescence simple raceme. Flower is pedicellate, bracteate, zygomorphic, complete, hermaphrodite, pentamerous, hypogynous, and showy. Calyx with 5 sepals, polysepalous, anterior sepals odd with imbricate estivation. Corolla with 5 petals, polypetalous with imbricate estivation, yellow to orange in color. Androecium with 10 stamens, polyandrous, filaments unequal in length, anther basifixed, diathecous. Gynoecium is monocarpellary with superior ovary, unilocular and show marginal placentation. Long style, stigma terminal and simple. Fruit is legume dehiscent. Floral formula and floral diagram. Floral formula is nothing but symbolic representation of floral characters. This is not floral formula of entire family. It is separate for each plant. As plant specimen changes, floral formula and floral diagram also changes. Bracteate flower is represented by symbol Br. Bisexual flower is represented by its own sign. Calyx represented by symbol K. Corolla represented by symbol C. Androecium represented by symbol A. Gynoecium represented by symbol G. Underline sign below the G represents ovary superior. For drawing floral formula, we have to consider the flower from outside to inside. Floral formula of the plant Cisalpinia pulcherrima. Flower is bracteate, irregular, bisexual, calyx with 5 sepals, corolla with 5 petals, androecium with 10 stamens. Out of that, 7 are fertile and 3 are sterile staminodes. Gynoecium is monocarpellary and ovary is superior. Floral diagram is the graphical representation of flower structure. It shows the number of floral organs, their arrangement and fusion. Different parts of the flower are represented by their respective symbols. Floral diagrams are useful for flower identification, or it is helpful for understanding angiospermic evolution. To draw the floral diagram, we have to consider the flower from inside to outside. For floral diagram, tiers of ovary is essential. First, we have to show tiers of ovary in the middle, then stamens, then corolla with its estivation, after that calyx with its estivation, and finally floral axis with bracts. Economic importance of Cisalpiniaceae. First, as a food. The floral bud of Begonia variegata, that is Kanchanar, are used as a vegetable. The fruits of Tamarindus indica, that is Imli, are spicy and used as a condiment. The seeds of Tamarindus indica yield starch as a medicine. The pulp of pod of Cassia fistula is utilized as a purgative. The bark decoction of Saraca indica, that is Sitashok, is used as a remedy for menstrual disorders. Third, as a fiber. The bark of Begonia veli yields fiber, which are used in rope making. As a dye, the wood of Hematoxylon campechianum yields a dye called hematoxylin. It is an anatomical stain. As a tannin, the pods of Cassia sapon are used in tanning leather. As a ornamentals, the plants like Delonix regia, that is Gulmohar, Begonia variegata, that is Kanchan, Cisalpinia pulcherrima, that is Shankasur, Saraca indica, that is Sitashok, are grown in the garden and along the roadside as ornamental trees.